If you've ever tried to track your spending in a spreadsheet and immediately felt overwhelmed, you're not alone. Most budget apps are either too simple or too complicated or too expensive, but there's a sweet spot right in the middle, pivot tables. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 quick ways to organize and understand your personal finances using pivot tables in Excel. We'll take a basic list of expenses and make it cleaner, easier to explore, and actually kind of useful. No formulas, no macros, no stress. Just practical steps to help you see where your money's going. Now let's get started. First up, make it readable. If your pivot table looks confusing or cluttered, let's face it, you're never going to use it. Let's clean it up with a few quick formatting tweaks. Now that it looks better, let's visualize it. We'll use a simple pie chart to turn your spending categories into something you can actually see and understand at a glance. Next, let's filter by category. Slicers make it easy to break down your expenses. Just click a button and instantly narrow in on what you're spending on food, travel, or anything else. Want to see how your spending changes over time? That's where the timeline tool comes in. It lets you filter by month or quarter with just a few clicks. Finally, let's break it down. If you've ever wondered what's actually behind a total, like where you spent that $1,200 in groceries, you can drill right into the data with a simple double click. That's 5 quick ways to use pivot tables to organize your personal finances. No expensive software or CPA license needed. If this was helpful, go ahead and subscribe. I'll be sharing more videos soon on the basics of pivot tables, troubleshooting pivot tables, and the different versions of Excel. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you being here. See you next time.